Welcome to another video. Today it's gross and rainy out. It's disgusting actually, so let's go make the most of it. Judging by how quickly I got that door open this time, you should know exactly where we're going. Listen. Just listen. Is it a problem? Maybe. Did I already bring a book? Also maybe, but it's raining and it's legal. So it's fine and we're going in. For some reason walking through a bookstore feels like home. I don't know, I literally can't explain it, but it does, if that makes sense. After getting my 10,000 steps in for the day, I finally made it. The only answer for what is the best section of the entire bookstore. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. By the way, you can always give me book recommendations. And I do love a good classic. Oh no, I found it. It's only one of my favorite books ever. You better get it. I'm talking to you. I've heard so much about this that it actually scares me right now. Let me know what you think of it though. Nerds. Yeah. You know what? Statement revoked. Besides, not me being in a movie theater for 12 hours. If you know, you know. Aw, this thing was just so cute. And these, oh my gosh, you have to be kidding. And by some miracle, I always end up back here. Weird how that works. Ooh, perfect for me being so short. Finally, I can get what I'm looking for. And it's a great view. I'm definitely not coordinated enough for this though. Better get down before I fall. Now it is actually time to leave before I go broke. Let me just, get out of here. But I will be back soon, don't worry. Until next time. I didn't get anything this time because I know I already have so many beautiful books. But that doesn't mean I didn't write anything down. Also, if you ever have any recommendations, let me know. I love to spend money on books. It's a problem, but it's fine. I'm trying to think of what else to do on a rainy day. Oh my gosh, I know. Have no fear. I also need to get my dose of road rage in for the day. Go! Anyway, on to our next activity. You know the drill. Matcha time. Cup. Sugar. the matcha. A little more. Now for the ASMR. I'm sorry for that. Let's get that cafe music going, shall we? Why? Literally, why? You know what? We can take it as part of the process. Clean it up, don't be dirty though. I see you, trust me. Definitely make sure you use the chopstick. It helps break up the ice like so much easier than everything else for some reason. The best part. Like it owes you money. There you have it, beautiful matcha. Like always, it's time for photos. Thank goodness it stopped raining though. It's so pretty. Obviously stopped by the first thing with color in it. On to a new location. Oh no, please no. Tell me you're joking. Stop holding it like that, it's so weird. Just be a normal person. Thank you. Now here I put it down without realizing there were ants everywhere, so I quickly moved it. Then the wind started picking up, so I had to brace it with my foot so it wouldn't fall over. Not wasting a single drop of matcha, you know how expensive that is. And then obviously I'm immediately distracted by jewelry again. Now it's time to retrieve the matcha and get out of here. Finally, it's time to go read. Well, I hope you enjoyed the— What is that? Oh my gosh. Ew. This is what I get for trying to be aesthetic, isn't it? Serve though. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. You can follow me on these if you want. Please be my friend. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye!